Right, Norlock from BJ Mully, American US Series 30. There's a lock there. Try and cut it here, please. Oh, you ghetto pinning tray. Oh, it clips well off that one, like. She was handy removed. She was handy removed, that one. Right. You can use the plug followers he sent me here as well. Oh, it's a 4-pin. What? Oh, it's a 4-pin. That was so handy, what? What am I going to use here to open this? Oh, I've got a key for it now, haven't I? I've got a key for it, it's opening the wrong way here. It's fully wired, I can hardly hold on to it. What's going on there? What is going on there? Oh, dropped a pin at the arse with there. I've dropped a pin at the arse with there. A 4-pin, huh? My goodness. My goodness. Didn't realise there were 4-pinners on. Why is that not turning around that way? Huh? That ought to do it now. I don't know what shape that is like, but try and dump it out over now. I don't know what's going on here at all. I don't know why this plug filler is going to do it or not. Oh, well, alright. So it's standard serrated. The second, oh, first and second one's serrated, third one's a standard, fourth one's serrated key pins. So he's using a second here. I'm going to hard access on that. Right. First one is a serrated spool. Second one's a serrated spool. The third one's a serrated. The fourth one's serrated. Alright, so let's zoom in here, it should be easy. You see them now? Oh, it's gone right. So it's serrated spool, serrated spool, serrated. Key pin 1 was serrated, key pin 2 was serrated, key pin 3 was a standard, and key pin 4 was a serrated. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.